Step into the heartbeat of Liverpool. Welcome to Pembroke Studios, where innovation meets inspiration in an electrifying environment. Unleash your creativity in thoughtfully crafted studios, each one a personal sanctuary designed for both relaxation and productivity. With chic furnishings and a plush bed, you'll find the perfect blend of style and functionality. Experience effortless living with all utilities included, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Take advantage of fantastic communal amenities, including a convenient laundry room and secure bike storage for those adventures. Safety is a top priority, featuring a fob entry system, CCTV, and lockable bedrooms for complete peace of mind. And the location? Absolutely prime. Just a leisurely walk from renowned institutions like the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine and the University of Liverpool. Indulge in culinary delights at some of the finest restaurants like the Quarter, or unwind at cozy pubs like the Old Post Office Liverpool. Grocery shopping is a breeze with nearby supermarkets such as Aldi and Tesco Superstore. Plus, fantastic transport links make it incredibly convenient to explore the rich culture of this vibrant city. Are you ready to redefine your student experience in Liverpool? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your place at Pembroke Studios today.